It's official, Ariana Grande is married.
Hugger, you wanted this!
Hello people, we are back with a new video on should we worry about Ariana Grande's new marriage. Get ready for the new video and watch till the end to know best about the topic. Ariana Grande is currently married to Dalton Gomez. The ultra-serene couple figured out how to avoid the public eye. The year before, however, Grande claimed their relationship last May when the two appeared together in her and Justin Bieber's isolated music video, Stayed With You.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Do you want to learn the secret of improving all aspects of your life and unlocking what you're really capable of? The legendary Bob Proctor spent over 57 years learning this one thing and is hosting a free webinar where he reveals what he's learned and what actually works. He'll teach you the law of compensation, a secret only the mega wealthy know of but not taught in our educational system, and the impression of increase, the law of laws that will increase areas in all aspects of your life, whether it be in health, relationships, or wealth. Right now, the first 200 people to use the link below will get access to this free webinar. Now, let's get back to the video.
The Grande and Gomez sentiment denotes the pop star's first open relationship since she ended her engagement to Saturday Night Live star Pete Davidson. TMZ originally detailed Gomez's heartfelt connection to the vocalist in Walk 2020, when the two were reportedly seen kissing in a bar, but the pair continued to share an inconspicuous knowledge of their bond throughout their relationship. In December, the pair declared that they were prepared to get married. Below, we separate everything we think about the couple. They both are dating since January 2020. As indicated by individuals, the duo began dating early in the new year. However, Grande demanded to keep their association as secret as could be expected after their public bid with SNL star Pete Davidson. They've been going out for a few months, a source told the Power Supply. Ariana wouldn't want to have another public relationship, so she's trying to keep her cool, but she seems to be content with Dalton. Gomez is an effective realtor. Gomez is not a media outlet, but a growing real estate investor. He works as a buyer's representative for Aaron Kerman Gathering, a land extravaganza organization in Los Angeles. According to the biography on his authority profile on the company's website, Gomez owns one of the biggest Rolodexes of elite buyers and is known for his extensive information in the areas of engineering and domains of extravagance. Gomez and Grande are isolating together since the beginning of the pandemic. The two reportedly paid attention to requests for home visits from California and socially removed together at Grande's home in Los Angeles, individuals revealed. Ariana is intense about self-removal and has been with similar encounters of individuals for a long time, a source told the magazine. One of the guys she's with right now is Dalton. Both Gomez and Grande were featured in each other's online media records. Before the arrival of the Stick With You music video, Grande and Gomez appeared in each other's Instagram stories. A handshake from Grande moving while at the same time reaching for a glass of wine recently appeared on Gomez's private account, while Grande once posted a stark contrast of his new lover playing computer games behind. Fans rushed to interface the tattoos of the figure in Grande's photograph to make sure they had a place with Gomez. Grande affirmed her and Gomez's relationship, appearing together in the music video, Stick With You.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Have you ever wondered how to end procrastination and self-sabotage so you can unleash your full potential to live the life you deserve? #1 best-selling author and high-performance coach Peter Sage is hosting a free webinar where he'll teach you how to increase your wealth with less time and struggle, and also how to hyper-boost your growth and success so you can finally break out of any rut you find yourself in. Right now, Peter and his team are offering a free $100 gift to anyone who doesn't find his webinar as the best use of their time within the last 5 years. Now, let's get back to the video.
Grande shared a sweet selfie of her and Gomez on his 27th birthday. Ariana Grande went to Instagram to wish her lover a happy birthday in August. In her committed post, Grande shares a progression of close-up photos and square brackets of the pair, including several photos of the couple snuggling, kissing, laughing, and, surprisingly, a commemorative image mocking their relationship. HBD to my son, my closest companion, my favorite part of the relative crowd of days, I love you, wrote Grande close to his Instagram commitment. Big and Gomez may be in this for the long stretch. Week by week, We announced in August that Grande loves Gomez a lot and is relishing his new relationship with the realtor. Ariana sees something more in Dalton that she has never found in people she has dated recently, a source told a food source. He's the kind of guy she's been looking for. He's extremely defensive of her, will make a special effort for her, and makes seemingly insignificant details their galling. Dalton will exceed everyone's expectations to solve her problems. The two comment a second candy at VMAS 2020. After the vigorous airing of Grande Next to Woman Crazy on MTV Video Music Grants in late August, the pop star went to Instagram to share a few minutes of background. Also, within the series of representations, there is a sweet photo of her and Gomez holding hands. Grande continued to sneak into his PDA photographs of Gomez at Instagram. In December, Grande shared several real-life minutes of her on Instagram, including a sweet kiss given to Gomez. The artist hid the photograph in a progression of images, including snapshots of her canines, selfies, and a FaceTime conversation with her grandmother. Grande distributed new photographs to his man as he related his commitment. Perpetually and then some, she posted on December 20, declaring she's stuck with Gomez. The couple snuggles on the floor in the sweet Polaroid-looking photos, and Grande even shared some laid-back photos of her big ring. Gomez went through Christmas 2020 with the family of Grande. After their new commitment, Gomez celebrated Christmas with his life partner's family, and the couple couldn't resist the opportunity to turn a door up during the joyous event. Grande captioned the photos he took with his family and playmate. Cheerful, the pandemic gave the couple time to get to know each other in harmony. As a world-renowned genius, Grande's worship life is regularly in the tabloid newspapers, and it must be almost incomprehensible for the artist's position to date someone serene. However, as indicated by one source, this is actually what happened in 2020 during the coronavirus pandemic. A source found out for individuals that the couple was touring New York, where Grande has a condominium. Near the beginning of the pandemic, it was at this time that Grande recognized that he is extraordinary. Consequently, she decided to take the risk and move with Gomez when he returned to Los Angeles to work. It was getting hard for them to see each other, so she chose to take the risk, the source told individuals. She bought a house in Hollywood Slopes in June and never remembered. They are unimaginably happy. Also, according to the source, Grande's family is excited about the artist's new relationship. Ari's family is cheerful. Everyone loves Dalton, the source said. He is extraordinary for Ari. This period of her life has been peaceful and positively normal. They are happy that she is marrying Dalton. Looks like Grande may have finally found his match. He prefers to keep his relationship with Ari hidden. They had the option of getting to know each other more in harmony. The pair had a quiet night in town across from the Grammys. For individuals, Grande and Gomez were caught in a casual dinner recently at the Faya Cafe in Sidnick, Monica. Both Grande and Gomez used relaxed encounters for the trip, coordinated with defensive facial veils. The meeting denoted an unusual public outing for the couple, which remained under the radar throughout their relationship, especially since they declared their commitment. You can see the duo's photos here. Ariana and Dalton supposedly needed a wedding function on a limited scale. The two don't need a colossal extreme occasion, so they're deciding what their choices are for a private service, a source told E! News. Something private and cozy bodes well for the couple, considering Grande is often quiet about her relationship with the realtor. Grande was exceptionally aware and made an effort not to share a ton about their relationship, but rather go with the job when you're dating a celebrity. He continued with the source. But Dalton handles Ariana like a sovereign and they have a lot of fun together. Besides, that's what they started. Gomez and Grande said yes to a tiny function with fewer than 20 visitors, individuals said. The room was very cheerful and full of affection. The couple and the two families couldn't have been happier, a source said. Today, the world trusts the couple to share the first photos of their cozy pre-wedding ceremony. Ariana shared an unusual PDA in second place between the two for her birthday. The artist celebrated her 28th birthday on June 26 and shared a quick sweet hug the next day, including herself and her husband cuddled up to the camera. Gomez was dressed nonchalantly for the event, wearing a green wool shirt and matching driver's cap, while Grande wore a panther fur cap and a brown tank top. A little dwarf, Grande wrote in the video, deeply grateful for so much adoration. The pair's second PDA comes after a source revealed to Diversion Tonight that after the wedding, Grande and Gomez undeniably felt more open to opening up to the world about their relationship. Ariana and Dalton felt that before teaming up, they couldn't be as open about their relationship without being scrutinized in the media, and they currently feel much calmer. A source told the Energy Source. They have plans to travel more together and feel closer than any other time in recent memory. We have tried to cover everything in this short video. Still, if you think something is missed, then do mention it in the comment box. Your thoughts and ideas matter the most. So farewell till the next video. Bye, family.